Morning student. Today our topic is multiplication by a box method. What is a box method? We have to arrange any type of question without doing a long multiplication. We will try about with the box method one. So now any kind of numbers you multiply, we just make a box and multiply that numbers by the other numbers. So now if there is an example, if we got any number like they said that 24 times 3, we can say 2 digit multiply by one digit, or 2 digit multiply by 2 digit, or 2 digit multiply by 3 digit, or 3 digit multiply by 3 digit. Then we have to arrange the box with that according to that one, and multiply these number one by one, and then we have to add or subtract according to that value. But obviously we must be adding value. So now in here we have that one. So first explanation is like a box. What is a box? Box like is a square shape. That is a 1 by 1 a box. If we have 1 by 2 a box, then we can say that come two numbers. This is 1 times 1 and 1, these two numbers. So one number multiply 2 digit. If we have a 2 by 2 box, then what does it mean? So 2 by 2 box is, this is one box, 2 box. On the other side is also a 2 box. That's 2 by 2 boxes. 2 box on that side, 2 box on that side. If there is a 2 by 3, then 2 box on one side and 3 box on the other side. This is 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So 3 box on that side and 2 box on that side. So 2 by 3 boxes are there. So now we will try the first question, how we can multiply two numbers in a box method. So now we can see in here we got two numbers and one number. So we can arrange one box and then half of it. So now we got two boxes in here. So 24 we have two digits, so we need to write down first digit and second digit, and this is a one digit multiply, so we can write down and then you can times over here. Now you can see, first of all we have to split these boxes as a diagonal. These are the diagonals. We have to split these numbers diagonally. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. Now you can see that in here. So first of all this number will multiply that one. So 2 times 3. What does it mean? 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So we got 6. So now in here, in this box we have to write down, because that box belongs to that one. So that number and that number belongs to this box. So we have to, this is 6. How we can write down 6? So we have two numbers, two part of that box. We need to write down 0 and 6. So what does it mean? It means 6. If I write down 6 or 0, then what does it mean? That's going to be 60. That's going to be our wrong. So has to be 6. So whatever else is not there, so we write down as a 0. The second one gonna be a 6. Now we move to the third one. 3 times 4. What does it mean? Now we got 12. So we got two numbers now, two digits. So 12. So first will come in here and the second will come here. So this is our multiplication of that one is done so far. So now we have to write down. Now this number, because we are on the diagonally, we have to add whatever else comes up. So now this is number is called 0. So now this is line and this is also line. You can say that like that. This comes as 0, 6 and 1. We have to add values. This and this number will adding 6 add 1. This is becomes 7. So 2 as it is like that. You can say that that's 2. So now whole numbers comes as 0, 7, 2 is equal to 72. So now we can say that 24 multiplied by 3 is answer is 72. This is our method of multiplication by box methods. So that was a 2 digit by 1. But now we can do that 2 digit multiply by 2 digit. Then we can see. "25 times by say that 20. Now we have 2 by 2, so we need to arrange box 2 by 2 box. So two numbers, we write down any directions. So 2, 5, and second number is 2 and 0, and the multiplication sign in here. First we need to split these boxes into diagonally. So then we have done this one is a diagonally. Now you can see when you multiply these values. So in here, first of all, 2 multiply that one. 2 by 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So 4 we won't write down in here. We write down in here. 0, 4 is equal to 4. If I write 4 here, then 0 here, that becomes a 40, which is gonna be wrong. So now in here, 2 times 5 is 10. So this is one digit, this is second one. So this is 1. And then we go to the next one. 0 times 2 gives us 0. So both are gonna be 0, 0. So 0 times 5 is gonna be 0, 0 again. 0 multiply any value give you a 0. So you can see in here we need to write down a numbers. So that becomes 0. 4 and 1 becomes, we need to add 4, add 1 becomes 5. 0 and 0. What is the value comes up? 0, 5, 0, 0, which is equal to 500. So multiplication of 25 times 20 gives you a 500. That was 2 by 2 box. So now we will do 2 by 3 and let's see. So now this is the number 789 times 2 by 3. So make a box first of all. So this is number 1, 7, 8, 9 times 2 and 3. Now we need to again diagonally So we need to multiply now values. So 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 7 is 14. So 1, 4. 2 times 8 is 16. So 1, 6. 2 times 9 is 18. 1, 8. So 3 times 7 is 21. 2, 1. So 3 times 8 is 24. 2, 4. 3 times 9 is 27. 2, 7. You don't need to write down these values, but you need to remember how we can work out, how we can multiply the simple values, single digit easily. That's why we write down. So the second term is our need to. Now these numbers that comes up. So now we need to add values. How we can add values? So just like in here, whenever you're adding values, start with the unit numbers. This is our unit 1, and then whatever comes further down, they're going increasing value. So then that becomes 7 as it is. There's a one more, an extra part will come up in this question. So you can see in here 4 add 2, 6 add 8 is 14. So now we go 14. So when it becomes 14, we need to write down unit part in here. Whatever else remaining, we have to carry that one in the second term. So we will add on that values. So in this second diagonal even. So 1 add 1 is 2, 6, 8, 10, and 11. So 1 comes up here, and this will carry in the second one. So 2, 6, 7, and 1, which is 8. 6, 7, and 1, which is 8, and then 1 as it is. So now you can see that what is the answer? 18147. So you can see that when you're adding that one, so that becomes 8 also. So this is our answer for this is multiply by box method. I hope you understand with that one. So see you in the next video with long multiplication. Thank you.